Hey Space Explorers! Have you launched your investment journey with Spaceship, but now your final destination has shifted? Maybe you found a new platform, or perhaps your risk tolerance has changed course. Whatever the reason, you've decided to disembark from Spaceship. But before you hurtle off into the financial unknown, let's take a quick pit stop and explore how to close your Spaceship account smoothly. Facing the account closure conundrum. Closing an investment account can feel like navigating a financial black hole. Buttons disappear, menus get confusing, and you start questioning your entire investing strategy. Fear not, intrepid spacefarers. This guide will be your launchpad to a hassle-free Spaceship account closure. The two Spaceship account types, Super versus Voyager. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to understand that Spaceship offers two distinct account types, Spaceship Super and Spaceship Voyager. Knowing which one you have will determine the specific steps to take. Spaceship Super, this is a superannuation account designed to hold your retirement savings. Super is a complex beast in Australia, so closing a Spaceship Super requires transferring your balance to another super fund. Spaceship Voyager, this is a more traditional investment account, allowing you to invest in a pre-built portfolio. Closing a Voyager account is a simpler process, letting you directly withdraw your funds. Mission: account closure initiate sequence. Spaceship Super, a transfer, not a termination. Since Spaceship Super is a superannuation account, closing it involves transferring your balance to another super fund. Here's how to initiate the transfer. Choose your new destination. First things first, you need to decide on your new super fund. Research different options to find one that aligns with your investment goals and fees. Initiate the rollover. Once you've chosen your new super home, it's time to initiate the rollover process. This can be done electronically through your new super fund's portal. Look for a rollover initiation form or contact their customer service team for guidance. Spaceship assists. If you need help with the rollover process, Spaceship can provide some assistance. Reach out to their customer support team via email, help@spaceship.com.au, or through the app/website chat function. Spaceship Voyager, a straightforward sign-off. Closing your Spaceship Voyager account is a more straightforward process. Here's what you need to do. Open the Spaceship app, grab your phone, launch the Spaceship app, and log into your account. Navigate to Account Settings, locate the Account section within the app. This might be a dedicated tab or hidden within a settings menu. Look for options related to your profile or account management. Initiate account closure. Once you've found the account settings, search for an option labeled Close Portfolio or something similar. Confirm your decision. Spaceship will likely prompt you to confirm your decision to close the account. Double-check that you're happy to proceed and follow the on-screen instructions. Funds on the move. After confirming the closure, your remaining balance in the Voyager account will be transferred to your nominated bank account typically within 5 business days. Important considerations before launching away. Before you completely sever ties with Spaceship, there are a few crucial things to keep in mind. Outstanding contributions. If you have any scheduled contributions set up, ensure you cancel or redirect them to avoid future deposits into the closed account. Tax implications. Depending on your investment activity and account performance, there might be tax implications associated with closing your account. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor if you're unsure about any potential tax liabilities. Final review. Take a final look at your account statements and transaction history to ensure everything is accounted for before closing the account. So long, Spaceship. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and doesn't constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Until next time, happy investing and safe travels on your financial voyage.